Thanks a lot for enrolling in Power BI Mastery Camp for Civil Engineers. Construction project data analytics is simplified using Microsoft Power BI. Dear candidate, you have huge potential, just need a guide to explore it. Before downloading Microsoft Power BI, check for your desktop or laptop with following system requirements. 1. Windows 8.1 or Windows Server 2012 R2 or later. 2. Memory, RAM, at least 2 GB available, 4 GB or more recommended. 3. CPU, 1 GHz, GHz, 64-bit, x64, processor or better recommended. Copy-paste the link Power BI app link provided in description below. https://www.microsoft.com/n-us/download/details.aspx?id equals 58494. Select PBI desktop setup _x64.x and click next. Once setup is downloaded, click next and follow instructions. Follow the instruction on screen and you will be ready for Shripad Khaparde's Power BI Mastery Camp for Civil Engineers. You have successfully downloaded the Microsoft Power BI. An icon will be visible on desktop screen.